this part? Oh, good job. What's that? Open. Okay. Open. What do we got in here? Look, there's Poppy. Open. Okay. Okay.
Enough with the chit chat, Mom. Open it.
I don't have anything to open with, Daddy. Birdie, that's right. She might sing the end again. What's in there? Look it, it's a penthouse. Mommy get for you. Here you go. What's this? Woody. It's a girl. Is that a girl? And the bunny? Bunny rabbit? Bunny rabbit. Now he goes in this side. There. Now we got a DVD to play. Here's the boy. Boy with the froggy. We got a whale. Eggs. Eggs on top. Woo! What's that? What's that? Kitty? Is that kitty? Mia and Mace? Mia and Mace, that's right. Yeah? Who's that? Is that a ducky? Look at, he's got baby ducky on the back. He's got baby duckies on the back. You like this song? Yes, you honey. What's that guy? Puppy! Oh boy, honey. Look at all the animals. There we go. No, I'm done, look. Boys, birdies. Bunny rabbit. Hey!
More
Got
stuff.
more. Look,
Got it, Bear.
Kylie. More. Opened. Open. Right here. Real hard. Real hard. Let me taste it too good. What's that? They're froggies. Open. Look, they line up their froggies for the bathtub. Careful. Hurt all the baby froggies. Look. Ooh, baby froggies. Look it. They all line up. And they ride on Mommy's back. Look. They're right in here. Yeah. Get the other one. Get the other one. Oh boy, honey. What about this guy? Open? A new book. Book. Yay! Okay. We got one more, honey. We got one more.
I know, Sugar Bear.
Look at this guy. One more. One more from Santa. Oh, this one's for Mommy and Daddy. What's that? Open. No. Okay. There. Open. What? Color? Is that a new color? Oh my goodness. It's a big color.
It's the Doodle Pro. We felt that you had mastered your other Magnadoodle.
Exactly.
So we figured we'd move you up to the Pros.
Okay. Here we go. It's out of the way. Alright. Mommy, open. Figure it out here. Oh, where's those scissors? You got those scissors?
Mm.
Mommy's gotta figure it out. There's a lot of tape on here.
They behind you or something?
You said you didn't.
I didn't what?
Where are you now? Okay. Okay, honey bear. Oh, hang on, Mommy gotta get it ready. It's got stuff on it. Improved screensaver pen, it says. Oh my goodness. Hang on.
Oh, look at all that stuff in there.
I know. It's got a drawer for it. Is that ready? It's even got a little cushy pen. There you go. Oh, wow. Wow, Boo Bear, look it. Can you say thank you, Santa? Yeah. Can you say thank you, Mom and Dad? No. No? Okay. What do these do?
Sorry, pal. She didn't even look at you.
It's alright. Look at this guy, Mrs. Miss. Is that a horsey? You want to ride on a horsey? Come on, let's ride on him. This way. You want to do the other?
Right here.
Hold on to these guys. Put your feet on these guys. Look it! Yeah! Good job, doll baby! Yay! Good job, honey! Baba. Baba, yeah. Yeah. Oh my goodness! Good job, darling! Rock, rock, rock. Rocky horse, rocky horse. You knew just what to do with it. I'm so impressed. Good job, darling. Good job, darling. Yay, 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 yay. Woo-hoo. Baba's got a present. Kaka's got a present.
And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.